You're supposed to polish my toes, not my foot. Thank you. Okay, let Chris do one. Wait. Let Chris do one. Okay, here, Chris. Hold on. You gonna polish me most? No, put that foot. That foot. Christian, you done polished my foot. You see what your brother did? Come on, so you can do the other foot now. Okay. Put it back. Come on, Christian. Okay, let Christian do this foot. You gonna do this foot now? Wait. Sit down. Sit down. Ready? You gotta back up so you don't get it on your pants. Wait. Let me Mo do the. Okay. Yeah. Oh shoot.
Mama, yeah, me do the other one. I don't want my daughter.
Wait. Let me Mo do the dipping. Bad enough she's gonna have it. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, that's enough.
I want to
Thank you.
And